your energy. I hope your energy is still on the end of our island hopping. Also, before we start, guys, I would like to introduce to all of you our boat captain, Captain Rinan Daguhoy. What's up, hello, Captain? And also here in our boat, we have a 3-boat crew. Our first and second boat crew at the front of our boat, that is Kuya Mark and Kuya James. Hello, what's up, mga Kuya? Alright, and here in our boat, we have only one girl stop, the one and only. Please give a round of applause for Miss Janie. Hello, Ate G. And by the way, my name is Kuya J. Hello, everyone. I'm Kuya J. Hello po. Alright, so we are here now. Andito po kaming lahat to assist all of you, to guide all of you to make your island hopping memorable and enjoy. If you have a something question, guys, don't share to us, to me, to our boat captain, to our boat crew. Huwag po tayo mayang magtanong kung may mga katanungan po tayo about island hopping. Especially, if you have a something question in English, don't share to us, to me, because my English is under construction. And also, my English until 3 p.m. only. So, huwag nyo na paabutin ng 4 p.m. Alright, so now let's go to our itinerary of our island hopping, guys. And our all-time island hopping, guys, we consume for 5 hours. 5 hours po yung ating island hopping, and we have a 4 destination. And every destination, guys, we have a limited time because we are only joiners, not a private boat. So you need to follow what time that I give you every destination. So now let's go to our first. Our first destination is the beautiful Foga Beach. So Foga Beach, guys, our activities there, you can swimming, picture taking, relaxing, and also crystal kayak. So after Foga Beach, let's go to our second destination. Our second destination is our snorkeling. In our snorkeling area, guys, we have a free goggles. But in the area, guys, if you want to go down, if you want to go swimming or snorkeling, we have a snorkeling fee. 100 pesos for one person for the snorkeling area. So after snorkeling, let's go to our third. Our third destination is our lunch. Our lunch is part of mainland. Part of Katiklan, Balay, Aklan. Also, our lunch, guys, that is unlimited buffet. So bawal po yung diet doon. So after lunch, let's go to our last and fourth. Our last destination is the beautiful Crystal Cove Island. So the Crystal Cove Island, guys, that is a private island. So if you want to go inside, we have an entrance fee, 300 for one person. That is optional. If you want to go inside or you stay at the beach. If you stay at the beach, guys, no need to pay for the entrance fee na 300 pesos. Sa mga papasok lang naman to. Okay? So we're gonna stay there for 1 hour. So we finish our island natin, guys, if it's at 3 p.m. Okay, so may tanong po ba tayo? Wala naman? Wala. Okay, so kung nakinig tayo lahat, everybody, what is our first destination? Gusto mo mauna dun, mama. So this, Foga Beach, our second destination. Snorkeling. Our third. Lunch. Yun yung hindi nyo nakalimutan. After lunch, our last is Crystal Cove Island. So everybody, reminders lang po. While the boat is running, you're not allowed to go outside of our boat. Bawal po tayo lumabas left and right. But you're allowed to stand. You're allowed to go at the front for picture taking. Pwede po tayo magpa-picture doon. You're allowed at the backside. Pwede po tayo magpo doon. And also we have a toilet, ha. Doon po yung toilet natin sa likod ng bangka. And if you wanna buy something like drinks, we have an available drinks, sir. Like Red Horse, San Miguel Pills, and Water, Coke, Sprite, Royal. That is for sale. If you wanna buy, pwede po tayo uminom. What are you waiting for? Sa mga manginginom dyan, let's go! And now, everybody, get ready your phone. Pagkilabas pa yung mga cellphone, mag-iikot po si Ate Jean, si Kuya Jay, Kuya Mark, mag-iikot po kami, pipicture po namin kayong lahat. And now, everyone, are you ready to enjoy? Now, let's get along. Let's get to our first destination at the beautiful Foga Beach. Wanna dance? Just dance with DJ J on the mic. So once again, welcome to Isla Apuracan!
Okay. Ma'am, next ma'am.
Bye!
Ma'am, next ma'am. Sino muna ma'am?
Gagawin niya doon. Ewan ko pa dyan. Ah!
Okay, study ma'am. Mamaya kayo matatanda. Ano ba?
Thank you po.
And now we are here in our second destination. This is Crocodile Island.
Crocodile. Ayaw
This
pa.
is only snorkeling area, no crocodile here. That's why we call crocodile in this area because of the shape of that stone is just like a crocodile. Yan po, madadaanan po natin yan later. Gumagalaw po yan tuwing hating gabi. Alright, so we're gonna be snorkeling in about 30 minutes. 30 minutes po tayo rito. So before we start our snorkeling, guys, I would like to inform to all of you, here in our boat, we have 2 ladders going down. We have a ladder here at the middle of our boat. We have a ladder left and right. You can go down anywhere you want, but everyone, the boat is within the balance. So if you sit there, you can go down at this side. If you sit there, you can go down at this side also to make the boat still a balance. Balance sila po tayo. And did you see the bamboo boats and also, guys, that color blue? That is our balance of our boat. You can hold that, but no one can ride. If you ride that, the boat will capsize. Just hold only. Hawakan na po natin yung blue na kawayan. Huwag na po natin sasakyan. Baka magsakyan nyo yun, guys, baka mag-Titanic part. Marami kayo makikita iba't ibang klaseng isda. Like Nemo, Dory, Tona, yung 555, Paksiw, Sinigang. Marami tayo makikita iba't ibang klaseng isda. And also sa mga mahilig po mag-cliff jumping, we have a cliff diving board at the rooftop of our boat. Pwede po tayo mag-cliff jumping. Meron po tayong hagdan doon sa likod, but this time is no time. Ay, wait lang po ah. Ay, masyado pong mababaw. Delikado po po cliff jumping. Mababaw po. Dito na lang po tayo talong sa gilid. Our goggles po ah. Sa hindi po marunong lumangoy ah, please wear a life jacket. You can swim without life jacket. Make sure you are a good swimmer. Let's go. Let's enjoy. Only 30 minutes here. Come on.
Ang isda.
About sa payment guys, you pay later after finish our snorkeling. Mamaya na po tayo magbayad.
Dami isda.
Hello, check.
Saan ang isda? Marami.
Ayan o.
Ayun ba? Saan?
Ayan o, may teme. Ayan.
Hello, Mike, check. Hello, sir. Ay, huwag yung isipin yung 100 pesos na babayaran nyo.
Yan ang
Yung importante,
crocodile.
maranasan
Yan
yung
ang
snorkeling
Crocodile
dito sa
Island.
Boracay.
Puro bang crocodile.
Basta may bayad.
Hindi ka pagbababa sa bangka.
Ba't marunong ka ba lumungoy kuya? Ba, malalim yan. Akala mo, akala mo, makakatayo ka dyan.
Malalim ba yan?
Opa, malalim yan.
Hindi, basta nakabes, alang problema.
Malalim yan, akala mo ba? Ano?
Para ba tapos shoot ito? Ganyan pa, ganyan.
Hindi ah, ilong mo.
Ha? Yan. Talon mo yan, talon.
Talon. Wala na, takot ng mga isda. Bulab.
So guys, dito na kami sa last destination sa Crystal Cove. Doon kami pupunta guys, yan. Yan ang last destination namin.
That is our last destination. That is the beautiful Crystal Cove Island. So just like what I said before, start that island is a private island. So if you want to go inside, we have an entrance fee, 300 for one person. Inside of that island, guys, we have two caves. Cave 1 and Cave 2. Inside of the cave, you can swimming and also picture taking. And we have a majestic view there. There's a lot of a beautiful spot that you can see na pwede po natin pag-picturean. Sa mga mahilig po mag-pictorial, maganda pasukin yung island na yan. Because marami po kayo magagandang view spot na makikita pwede po natin pag-picturean. And also, we have a view deck there. You can go on the rooftop of view deck for viewing and picture taking. So we can stay there for 1 hour. 1 hour po tayo. And then Kuya Jay and Ate Jeannie will guide you inside of that island. Kami po yung mag-guide sa inyo. Itutur po namin kayo sa island na yan. Okay po? And pag short po kayo sa cash, nag-accept po sila ng GCash or credit card. Any card guys, nag-accept po sila. This is our last destination, last gastos. Sulitin na po natin guys. Marami na po akong guests na pinasaya dyan guys na pinapasok ko dyan. Sobrang saya nila paglabas. Yung mga single, pinapasok ko dyan. Paglabas nila, may jowa na sila. So what are you waiting for mga single? And also, nakakapagpatibay ng relasyon pag pumasok tayo dyan. Kamatayan lang yung magpapahiwalay sa inyo. And the most important, bago po tayo lumabas sa island na yan, meron po silang wishing well. Pwede mo na tayo mag-wish sa wishing well bago po tayo umalis sa island na yan.
Crystal Cove. Crystal Cove Island.
Yeah, you already know. We run.